Hey guys, so this isn't my usual way to start off a video for an intro, you know what I mean? And that is because I did have one filmed, but it was me explaining how my entire day was going to be basically a vlog. I was explaining all of the different things that we were going to be doing, blah, blah, blah. You know how it goes, right? Well, it turned out that I only ended up actually doing one thing and one thing only. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, we just made a Christmas tree topper for my tree. And it was a lot of fun. But I truly had no idea that it was going to take me from morning to night to do this project. So I wasn't actually able to do any of the other things that I said in my intro, so I thought that my intro was really pretty pointless, so that's why I'm here right now. So before we also get into the video, after looking back at all of the footage and editing it all up, I realized that my audio was absolute trash. So as you guys may know, I film still on my phone because I don't really need anything too fancy. And so basically, since the house was full of people and me trying to speak, a lot of it just got really mumble jumbled and it wasn't really the clearest or greatest. So I'm so sorry, but this is actually going to be a voiceover video, but you guys are going to see the most of the process. It's kind of more step by step. So I hope you guys stay and enjoy the video. Also, I would like to officially welcome you to day 4 of Layluh would slay the holidays. Do the sleigh thingy. Yeah. Hey guys, so these are all of the materials that I am using for my DIY Christmas tree topper. All of these materials were picked up at 4 different stores: the Dollar Store, Giant Tiger, Canadian Tire, and Walmart. My vision is to spray paint the antlers, paint the buffalo plaid all burgundy, and basically hot glue all of the glittery stuff around him, string some lights, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, hey guys, we're outside, so we're gonna be very, very quick. I've never done this before, but hi, we're back. We're making my tree topper. So this is part of my tree topper, as you guys had already seen. And my plan is to spray paint the antlers this champagne metallic pink. So we're just gonna do that. I've never spray painted anything before or used a bottle of spray paint, so we're just gonna you know what I mean? It's just really cold. Like, this is what it's cold, guys, okay? Holy shit. All right, this is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna spray paint, and I'm gonna be quick. So I'm just gonna hope to be able to set you guys up properly, and so you guys can see me do this, and then we're gonna go back inside. Okay, I think this is the best that I'm gonna be able to get with you guys. So I'm gonna be kind of just like holding it up like this, and I'm gonna spray paint. I've never done this before. Okay, so I should probably read the instructions. Okay, so shake it up a bunch. Okay, remove. I don't know how to do this. How do I remove the safety clip? Watch, I'm gonna spray myself in the face. Slide. Oh, it says slide up. Oh, came off. Okay, cool. It smells like nail polish. Watch, I'm like getting this all over my camera, like, or my phone. Fuck me. Look at all that dripping off. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just dripping. I'm probably doing this so wrong, but I don't care. It actually looks really pretty. So this is what it now looks like. If you guys can kind of see like that marbly bit in it, I'm actually kind of loving that look. Like, it's just gonna add such, I know it's like, I'm so sorry the lighting is so poor. And just on my back deck, the sun is out somewhere else right now, but yeah, so this is what it looks like right now, and I'm actually really, really impressed. I think it will look really, really good when it's done. All right, so I have acquired some more materials, some Mod Podge and some burgundy paints, and I will be Mod Podging the fabric material on the deer head to seal the fabric before I paint. That is all, like the antlers are all dry now. We're just gonna glue all of this onto that, like not that, but like the deer, and that's just gonna be the back. I'm cutting that in half and then gluing it on the back so it can like go on my tree. All right, so the bag is off his head, and that sounds really weird, but I realized I messed up a little bit, but no big deal. Basically, the next time you see this guy, I'm going to have him all Mod Podged and painted burgundy. Alright guys, so I have finished Mod Podging and painting the deer head, and I think he looks so much better burgundy. Let me know what you guys think. But once he dries, I will take the tape off the wooden plaque that he is on, and I'm just gonna glue a bunch of the glittery stuff from the dollar store around him, and it will kind of have this kind of look. You know? You feel me? Cool. But while I let them dry, I'm going to be cutting this and attaching it to the back so I am able to hang it on my tree. So, as you guys can see, I've started gluing on my glittered foliage, and let me just say, working with glitter effin' sucks, but it's totally worth it. Now you guys are seeing it basically fully done with the whatever you call that on the back to be able to hang it on my tree, and it's all done. I just need to string the lights in it and put it up on my tree. So yeah, what do you guys think? It took me all day. As you can see, it is nighttime now, so let me know in the comments down below. All right, hey guys, so as you guys can clearly tell, I am a horrible vlogger, but I'm gonna keep trying. I hope you guys stick with me. So basically, I made my tree topper. I kind of brought you guys a little bit along with it, kind of step by step with my processes. Basically, this took me all day, and it was absolute craziness, but it was a lot of fun, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It is one of the most beautiful things I have ever DIY'd myself. Like, I feel really, really good about this. I can't remember exactly where I left you guys off. I think it was like basically done, just not with any lights on it or like put up on my tree. So I figured that I will do that with you guys, and we'll put it up on my tree together. Sorry, I'm like stabbing you.
Okay.
Alright.
Did you want to clip the microphone from the deer?
Hmm?
You want to clip the deer's microphone there? Or?
Microphone? No. Looks like he's singing, eh? that look?
That's, oh, that's
Something wrong with it?
no. I was just looking at that nose. What the hell's that looks
Oh
like?
yeah, they're
And then that, yeah, see, got them right there too.
yeah, the two ornaments that
Mhm.
broke. Perfect. I don't know if the video can see this.
I don't know. It looks nice.
Well, I'm proud of this. I made this today. We're done. This is the outro. This is me putting it up on the tree. I need to get down and admire it. Holy shit. Oh,
Sorry.
fuck. Jesus.
I figured you'd get out of the way.
No, I'm not gonna get out of the way. Look at her. Even get like a full shot. There we go.